Okay, so now we want to learn something called factoring by grouping. Okay, and this process will be used in another process that we're going to do later on. So let's try to just factor 3a minus 3b plus ab minus b squared. So the very first thing that whenever we're just asked to factor a polynomial, the very first thing that we want to do is just ask ourselves, is there a common factor between all of these? So look at each one. And I start to get hopeful because I've got 3 and 3 here, right? And but 3 is not a factor here. I've got an A, but A is not a factor there. I've got a B, but B is not a factor there. There is no common factor here. Okay? If there were, that'd be the very first thing that we do. Common factors first. But we don't have common factors, so the technique is called grouping. So you want to group terms that may have common factors. Like, for instance, how about this first set? 3a and 3b, what's a common factor? 3. What about this one? ab and minus b squared. B is common here. Right? So this step, this is the grouping step. So here I've grouped. Now to start off, it's pretty standard just to group the first two and group the second two. There might be some other ways that you can group it, but these are good ways to get started. So this is the first step. Do your grouping. The next step is factor each group. So for this group, factor out a 3. 3, and then you have a minus b. And this one, what did we say we wanted to factor out? A b. So this plus is still going to be there. I'm pulling out the b, so this is still plus b times, and what do I have left? A minus b. Any questions so far?